Good morning children. Today start the class for second standard maths. Day for Wednesday. Date for 16/6/21. So previous class we will learn for tables. Multiplication tables. Once again I revise you. 0 table is used to do for 0 multiply with any number. You get the answer is 0. 1 multiply with 0. You get the answer is same number. So any number you multiply with 1. The same number. 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 multiply 2, 2. 1 multiply 3, 3. 1 multiply 4, 4. 1 multiply 5, 5. But 2 tables used for 2 zeros are 0. Any number multiply with 0, 0. But 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are. Here you do for 2 skip counting. Primary class you are studied for KG session. 2 skip count and 5 skip count. So easy to write. First one 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then next one 2 threes are 4 after 2, 5, 6. 2 fours are 6 after 2, 7, 8. 2 fives are 10, 9, 8 after 9, 10. 2 6 are 10 after, yes, 11 leave 12. Then next one 2 sevens are 13 leave 14. 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Learn carefully children. Shall I move for next topic? We will learn for today money. Money is used now to introduced for real life. Money for used in real life for coins and rupees. So first one I show now. See and find out the coins. First one I show here. Yes, this is for 25 paise. 25 paise. So this is for first real life used the people. So old age people is used for 25 paise but not used now. Now used only 1 rupee coin. Then next one used for 2 rupee coin. So this is for new version of 2 rupee coin. But before used this 2 rupee coin is big size. But this is for small size of 2 rupee coin. Then same method used for 5 rupee coin. So 5 rupee coin is, this is for old one. But new one is used for this color. So this is for new version of 5 rupee coin. This is for used in real life. So anyone thinks want to buy, use the 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 5 rupee. But nowadays not used in 25 paise coins. Okay. Those who have the coins, save the coins for 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise. Then 10 paise, 20 paise, 50 paise is old age people is used. Old age people means your grandfather, grandmother is used that one. But nowadays is used only 1 rupee. Starting the price is 1 rupee. But all the things is other rupees for some paises. So I show now example. So this is for Dettol. Dettol rupees is used for 30 rupees 25 paise. But shopkeeper is asked the amount for 31 rupees. Not used for 25 paise in real life. Okay. But all the things is for digital. Point symbol for 25 is a 25 paise. This is for 30 rupees. Okay. So coins is used here 25 paise. The next one rupees. Rupees is used for 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. But I have for 10 rupee. I show now. This is for 10 rupee note. This is used in real life 10 rupees note. Then this is for 20 rupees note. Then next one I have 100 rupees. Rupees note is currency is color changed for this last year. So this is color is changed now. Old age rupees note is different color. Then next one, this is for 500 rupees. Then 2000 rupees is also available. So this is for currency. This currency is helpful to those who want to buy anything. So I show here soap. So this one soap, how much cost? Yes, see the thing here, given the rupees amount for 34 rupees. Rupees symbol is here used, 34 rupees. Then I show for Dettol bottle. So Dettol bottle rupees is 30 rupees. So 30 rupees and 34 rupees for cost of two things. So total amount you want to pay. So 30 plus 34, 64 rupees 25 paise. So those who have the money and give it to the shopkeeper, amount for 100 rupees or 64 rupees. Then you get the things with your hand. Otherwise not give to the shopkeeper. Those who pay the money only, you get the things. So money is used in your daily life. Always needed to money. So very important in your life, need for money. So this money is used in real life. Those who want to buy the chocolate or pencil, pen, used the cost of things is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, easy to buy the things. But costly things you want to buy, used for rupees note, that is for 100 rupee note or 500 rupee note or 2000 rupee note is also available. So all the rupees note is used in your life, want to buy the things in the shop. Okay children, thank you. What are the needed things to want to buy? Need for money. Thank you once again.